You've seen beautifully renovated homes all across this country. But now it's time to finally get ugly. I'm Retta, and I'm looking for the ugliest house in America. We narrowed it down to 12 ugly masterpieces.
The exterior windows are still here.
And the most hideous of them all gets a $150,000 renovation from Allison Victoria.
My face already hurts from smiling. That was a clip from our first guest who always makes us laugh. That is her in action as the host of the new show, Ugliest House in America. We all fell in love with her as Donna on Parks and Recreation. You guys followed her with Good Girls and Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce. Please welcome comedian, author, and host of this show. Please welcome Retta to the show. Welcome to my house. Welcome to our show.
Welcome to mine.
What inspired you to want to join this whole project? Or are you just like really into design naturally?
Oh, I love it. This is my first house that I bought. So, you know, we did a lot of work in here, reconfigured rooms, design. At the beginning of quarantine, we had just started redoing my pool. So they had just started demolition when I was at work and they said, go home. And then it just made everything go so much slower. It took 5 months to redo my pool, but it came out great. I love it. I love a before and after. Nothing makes me happier.
All right. Do you want to set up the first house or should we just take a look at it and then you speak to it? Your choice.
Let's see it.
What the actual
Cave bathroom. Stalactites, glitter ceiling. To your left will be the shower for 4 and the steam room.
For 4? That's a no. No.
And now we're going to head into the gym or the temple room with gym equipment.
This theme park, I'm tired.
My jaw is literally on my table.
It was the house itself, the bones of it, everything is great. Like the yard, the property was gorgeous. It's just that the previous owner had this obsession with Poseidon and with this gargoyle theme, and everything was cemented into place. So everything, just demolition alone would have taken up the entire budget of what we had to do the renovation.
And the whole Mayan temple, like it's a full-on temple.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, the kids could walk up it if they wanted to.
Okay. So, do you want to set up number 2 or we want to just let it roll and speak to it again?
Let it roll. That's the one that my friends like.
You've got a drop-down living room with blue shag carpet. It's a lot. That is a disco ball that I've not seen before. It has its own Saturn ring.
Yes.
It is baller. Wow. Oh my God.
Here's your pink.
Y'all, pink countertops, we have the pink cabinets. The pink garbage. Don't think I didn't say the pink garbage. I saw it. There is carpeting in the kitchen. Y'all. I'm fascinated.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Well, I mean, I love pink. I don't know that I liked any of those shades of pink. Also, I don't know what the fascination was with a lot of these homes with putting carpeting everywhere. There was carpeting in that kitchen. There was carpeting in the bathroom. You wouldn't believe how many homes had carpeting in the bathroom. That particular house had carpeting on the walkway in front of the house. Can you imagine the Nobu? Yeah. And one of the homes had carpeting outside the pool. It was an indoor pool, and they had carpeting outside the pool. I was mortified. I was like, y'all know y'all have mold, right? Yeah.